What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for joining me. It's always a pleasure. Today, we're going to talk about Bitcoin and how it just went over 50 grand today. So that's some good news, especially if you have Bitcoin in your portfolio. Just for full disclosure, I am one of the people who does. So if you do, congratulations. If not, might be a good time to jump in. Who knows? I'm going to talk a little bit more about where I see Bitcoin going in this video, and just, I guess, good positive catalyst for it. So stay tuned for that. And just to let you guys know, I am not a financial advisor, just a guy on the internet with some ideas and opinions on things. So take it for what it is. It's in no way financial advice. Always do your own research when it comes to doing any kind of investing. Okay, so just remember that. And yeah, while you're here, hit the like button, subscribe button, and the notification bell. Really helps me out, and I'm going to quit talking. Let's get into it. So, Bitcoin surpasses $50,000 for the first time as major companies jump into crypto. So, Tesla kind of, I guess, started this off. They put, I think it was a $1.5 billion into Bitcoin, which I think, I remember doing the math. I want to say it came out to like 33,000 some odd shares at the time. So there's a lot of different Bitcoins. Like they had over 33,000 Bitcoins for that. So pretty big investment. And the reason that they did it is because they can actually claim the losses on taxes and write them off. But any gains, they don't actually have to. They don't have to report those as gains. So it's kind of like a hedge against a bad, income, right? So like, let's say you have a bad earnings, right, and you need a hedge, or let's say you even make good earnings, but Bitcoin goes down. You can actually write off Bitcoin as a loss, but still kind of keep the earnings, right? Like, it's just crazy what you can do with it. So I do like what Tesla's doing, but it looks like Mastercard and then whatever BNY Mellon have jumped in as well. So there's some talk about different companies jumping in and pretty much just starting to get in on cryptocurrency at this point. Tesla, like I said, they came in with the $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin purchase. And they are planning on accepting Bitcoin as payment. So if you want to go buy a Tesla or a solar roof or battery or whatnot, it looks like they're going to try to work out a way for you to make payments via Bitcoin, which is awesome. And I mean, it's a win-win for everybody, in my opinion. It kind of gives you an alternative to cash, right? So that's pretty cool. And yeah, look at Mastercard said it's going to open up its network to some digital currency. So probably Bitcoin. I'm guessing maybe another one like Ethereum or Litecoin may be involved there. Maybe Dogecoin. I don't know. I don't know if it'll get to that point. I know Elon's pushing for Doge, but who knows? We'll have to wait and see. BNY Mellon, PayPal, they've made different moves to support crypto. I want to say that on PayPal, they'll convert it into cash when you use it. I'm not 100% sure how it works, but I know that you can utilize it with their services as well. So with all this attention on Bitcoin and the value just kind of going through the roof, I do see this as an alternative, here coming up. I mean, it may be worth actually putting quite a bit more of my portfolio into it. But yeah, I mean, what do you guys think? Does anybody here watching this video invest in Bitcoin? And if so, how big of a chunk of your portfolio is it? Are we talking, 5%, 1%? Or are you more of like a super bull on it and it's like literally like 50 to like 80% of your portfolio is Bitcoin? Let me know. I've had friends who have been doing it for years. I imagine that they're ultra rich now. I had a friend back in 2010 who was selling the cold storage wallets, and he was super big on it. I guess I didn't understand it enough at the time to really invest in it. I didn't get how to do it, and that was the tricky part. Actually getting to the point where I wanted to make it so I could do it. I didn't get the whole process, but he's probably loaded. I haven't talked to him for a long time, but I guarantee he's loaded now. So, I mean, this is just one of those things, where it's going to change the way that businesses do business. I mean, it's going to give an alternative to the norm. And, $50,000, congratulations, Bitcoin. I mean, it's going up, it's gaining market value. So let's see here. I'm gonna just kind of read through here, kind of do a little bit of looking here. It looks like there's still skeptics, saying that Bitcoin's a speculative asset, and worry it's a bubble. But I don't know. I mean, it's been around for years, and it's been constantly going up ever since I've started looking at it. At least, I started paying attention to it when it crossed 1,000. So it's definitely been a while. But yeah, I don't think you can really call it a speculative asset anymore. It gains value because of the value that's placed upon it by the holders, right? It's not like a stock where it's subject to performance based on like income over a quarter, or any kind of financial news like that. So it's a little different. It's hard to actually look into Bitcoin and make those assumptions compared to something like a stock, right? So yeah, I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Are you bulls on Bitcoin? Do you invest in cryptocurrency at all? Are you guys Dogecoin holders? Let me know what you think. I think Bitcoin's a good investment. I'm just gonna keep loading money into it here and there, little by little until it just builds. That's usually how I go with these kind of things. So, anyways, guys, that's the video. Didn't want to take up too much of your time. Just wanted to announce the news and let you know Bitcoin got over 50 grand today. I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you're all having a great day. Take care of yourselves and peace.